Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening whenever you are watching this video. Alright guys, have you ever had to create many certificates for an event, maybe for a competition or a seminar or yeah just a school project? So at first it feels easy, right? You just uh, type one's names and another's and another's. But after you type um, 10 names, you start to feel tired. And when you have 30 or 50 names, um, it become exciting, right? You might to spend an hours or even 2 hours doing this manually. So and then sometimes you can still make a mistake. So instead of you working harder, what if you go to work smarter? And that's why I'm Rafiani, and today I'm going to show you how to create many multiple certificate in Canva without typing names one by one. And before we get into solution, let's understand the real problem. So the problem is not the design. The real problem is the repetition, doing same thing again and again, and it takes many time, any energy, and increase to interest change of uh, interesting of making a mistake. So, all right, now let me show you how this works. At first, you already have a list of names in Excel or in the Google Sheet, and then yeah, it is at least even 30 or even 50 names, and then uh, it yeah 30 and 59 this will be your main data, and then you open Canva and choose the certificate template. There are many templates on Canva, and you can pick any design you like, as long uh, as there is a space for the name, like this maybe. Okay, we can use this design. Now, this is the interesting part, and this is not many people know about this. You can go to the what's apps section, and then select the build create, and then upload the file data like this, then open. And after that, you upload your data, and then you connect the name column to the text in your design. This, then connect the time, the column data, like this. Alright, and finally, Canva automatically creates all your certificate for you. And what used to take hours can can now be done in just minutes. And this method not only saves your time but also reduce mistake, because you 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 doesn't have you don't have to type every single name manually. And then in daily life, for example, imagine you are part of an event committee and you have to prepare certificate for dozens of participants. With this method, you can spend a lot of time um, to finishing it. But with this feature, you can complete everything faster and more efficiently. Alright guys, before you try this, here's a quick tip. Always double check your data first because if there is a mistake in your list name, it will appear in all of your certificates. And then another thing to keep in mind is that if you don't match the data correctly, all certificate might show the wrong names. And then another interestingly, this method is not only for certificate but also for invitation, invitation, and then name tags and labels. In a conclusion, in today's digital world, working efficiently is not only helpful but necessary. So creating certificates doesn't have to be tiring. By using Canva book create feature, you can work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Alright, I think that's all for me. Thank you for watching and see you next time, guys. Bye.